Hi guys, thanks for coming by. I just want to do a quick unboxing of the new new phone that I bought. It's a VTech handset cordless phone system. So basically, it's a single phone, but it has two separate phones attached to it, and it's called the Dect 6.0. Okay, so let's see if I can get a close up on here. Okay, so this is, around $34. I basically bought this because I've been relying on my cell phone, and since my home office doesn't have great wireless connection, I just basically decided to buy a landline phone for my office, and I'll probably be demoing this over the next couple of weeks, and I'll do a better review of it. But for now, let's just see if you're interested in this product. It's available on Best Buy for around $34. So it's basically an entry level type of phone. I didn't need anything too fancy. Okay, it's just really for me to take conference calls whilst I'm working at home on the odd days. Okay, so let's see what's in here. So you have one of the plug and stand, okay? You have one handset. It's pretty small, actually. You have a second handset. Okay. You have the main stand. Okay, so here it is. You can see the phone jack goes in there. Okay, this is the cradle that the phone sits in. You can actually, I believe you can mount this on the wall as well. That's what this is for. Okay. And last but not least, let's see what this is. Alright, okay, so this is the actual jack that goes into here, the phone jack itself, and this goes into your outlet in your wall. Okay. Oh, right, and this is the power source for your second. The power source for your main cradle. Okay, so that basically just goes into here, like so. Okay, yeah, like so. Okay, so that's the fairly straightforward unit. There's all the bits and pieces there, and really the last thing that's in here is really just the user guide. Okay, which I don't think I'm gonna use much, but it's in there anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna test this product out and let you know how it goes over the next couple of weeks. Okay, thanks for watching. Talk to you later.